Very nice. So it starts on E flat minor 7, melody note is F. Which scale degree is F? Well, it is the 9th of E flat, so which voicing shall we use? Well, let's go with our rootless chord voicing, position A, and to find the minor 3rd of E flat, go up a whole step and a half step, and then build G flat major 7. And that is our rootless voicing for E flat minor 7. The next chord is A flat dominant 7. The melody note is F, so F is the 13th or the 6th. So let's use an upper structure voicing here. Root, major 3rd, minor 7th in the left hand. And which upper structure shall we use? Well, why not go with the 2 chord? So we go up to the 2nd and build a major chord, B flat major. That's going to give us our 9th, sharp 11, and 13th. That sounds good to me. Next we have a C sharp minor 7 chord. Melody note is D sharp. Which scale degree is D sharp? Well, it's the 9th. So let's use the same voicing that we just did for the E flat minor 7 chord. Let's just do the same for C sharp minor 7. Find the minor 3rd. Then build a major 7 chord, E major 7. That's our voicing. There's nothing wrong with using the same exact voicing if you have a repeating chord progression, which we have here. Next we have an F sharp dominant 7 chord. Melody note is D sharp. Which scale degree is that? So this again is the major 6th or the 13th. Both numbers mean the same note. So again, let's just use the same upper structure that we used previously. We're going to find the 2 of F sharp. Upper whole step is G sharp, and then we're going to build a major triad. If it helps, you can think of this as an A flat for a moment. Just build an A flat major triad. Looks like this. And that is our chord voicing. See how it sounds? Sounds nice. B minor 7. The melody note is C sharp. Which scale degree is C sharp? Again, it's the 9th. So let's just use our same voicing again. The rootless voicing. Find the minor 3rd. Brings you to D. And then build a major 7 chord. So D major 7. Looks like this. That's our voicing. And now we have an E dominant 7 chord. Melody note is C. So which scale degree is C when you count up from E? So this is E dominant 7 with the flat 13 as the melody note. So I want to use an upper structure because it's a dominant 7 chord, and I want a triad that has a flat 13 in it. Can you remember which triad we could use? So it's going to be a C major chord, but then we're going to invert it so that C is the top note. We'll play it like this. So how does that sound? Sounds nice. The last chord is an A major 7 chord. Melody note starts on B. Which scale degree is B? Well, B again is the 9th of A. So which voicing shall we use? Let's go with a rootless chord voicing. But this time it's a major 7 chord, so we go up to the major 3rd, 2 whole steps, and then we build a minor 7 chord from C sharp. And that is our voicing. So let's see how the B section sounds using those voicings. Very nice. Now, if you want to learn more jazz piano chord voicings, I've actually written a free ebook for you. It's called the Chord Voicing Guide. You can download it for free at the link below.